This short in seconds, say what matters. OnePlus India CEO Robin Liu moved on 21st January to firmly dispel growing rumors about the possible closure of the company's operations in India, calling recent reports misinformation. In a public post on X, formerly Twitter, Liu stated that OnePlus India is operating as usual and will continue to do so. He emphasized the brand's long-standing motto, "Never settle," underscoring the company's ongoing commitment to the Indian market. The clarification comes after a report from Android headlines suggested that OnePlus was being quietly dismantled within its parent company, Oppo, due to declining shipments, internal restructuring, and cancelled products, sparking widespread speculation about a possible shutdown. These claims quickly spread across social media and created confusion among customers and industry observers. In response, OnePlus issued an official statement labeling the rumors as false and unverified. The company urged customers, partners, and media to verify information from official sources before sharing unsubstantiated claims. Liu's post included a visual statement reaffirming that OnePlus India's business operations continue normally without disruption. Despite the broader speculation about internal changes within the brand and its integration with Oppo in recent years, part of a wider industry trend toward consolidation amid slowing smartphone demand. OnePlus India stressed that its sales, service, and support networks are fully functional. The company's reassurance aims to counter fears among users about future device support, warranty services, and market presence. OnePlus has been a significant player in India's competitive smartphone market, known for premium devices and strong community loyalty. By addressing the rumors quickly, the company sought to maintain consumer confidence and clarify that its commitment to the Indian market remains intact. In summary, OnePlus India has refuted shutdown claims, insisted its operations are ongoing as normal, and urged stakeholders to rely on verified official communications about the company's future. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.